Let's take a look at another option for breaking down plywood. If you need pretty precise cuts, you don't want to drag around a table saw, job site table saw. I really like this DCS 570 60 volt 6.5 inch track saw, and it's great, it's versatile. You can get it with a, I believe it's a 118 inch solid track, or I got the one that was two 59 inch tracks, and they go together pretty easily. On the back, there's a little bit of rubber, and what it does, it allows the track to stay in place, and you don't have to clamp it down. But in the event that you want to clamp it down, you got these clamps. And that's it. DeWalt's great for breaking down sheet material. So if you like this video, if you do me a favor, hit subscribe, maybe hit like, and if you have any comments, please leave them, good or bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.